All right, clean team. So we just got done cleaning 5 areas, steam clean of this house. And I just wanted to do a quick video of how we tear down. Quick training video. So we have all our stuff at the base of the stairs, obviously. And then I got my guy Lucas, who's gonna show us how we roll. So first we're gonna kind of get the little extra things. My philosophy is full hands in, full hands out. So since I'm here, I'm gonna help him. So I'm gonna grab the wand, and I'm always gonna hold that in front of me. Nope, leave that, because my feet are still wet. Okay, so I got the wand. We're done with the truck now, so we can shut that off. Okay, he picked up the solution too. Just gonna show you how you put that away. It's always gonna be flat cap out, make your life easy. Okay, and then I'm just gonna set the wand to the side out of my way, okay? Because we're gonna be pulling all that hose back into the truck. So the wand's completely out of my way. We have all this stuff, we're gonna show you how to do that too. So now I just wanna show you how to turn off the machine. Okay? So we go to idle, okay? We turn the 2 switches off, the pump clutch and the heat mode, heat exchange. It ran for about 5 seconds, so now we can just click it off. Okay, you wanna show, so we're already connected. So now we're just gonna drain all the wastewater, okay? You wanna show them how to unplug the solution line since you're here? Just pull it back, pull it out. Turn the hose off first. Okay, there's a little lever underneath. You're gonna turn that off right there. Make it perpendicular, unscrew that please. So now we're just taking off the 3/4 inch female, dropping it in the side of the van there. Okay, now we can get the garden hose out of our way since we have to clean other equipment. And Lucas, why don't you go ahead for now and then just roll up the hoses. We're gonna need the garden hose in a minute. Okay, so hold on. Okay, so you're gonna see these flash cuffs. We're just gonna press that and release, both sides. Okay, another one. I'm gonna press that and release. Get that out of our way. He set it there. So Lucas, why don't you go ahead and hang that back up. This is the upholstery tool bag. We didn't need it. So we're just gonna hang it back up where it belongs. Put everything, find its home in that order. Okay? So now we have the vacuum line. It's got all the corner guards right there. You'll see that. We're just hanging that off our spotter toolkit there so it stays tucked. Okay, now he's got, what are you doing?
Clicking it on.
Is that the right one?
Not the right one.
Okay, so that can be confusing. So you want to make sure it's on the hose reel itself. Just gonna click it back on, pull your slack tight, okay? And then I have a pedal to make your life a lot easier. So we're just gonna press and hold that, stop. Make sure all the slack is pulled into the garage or a hard surface first. Because we don't wanna, we have no corner guards set up on that wall. These ribbed edges right here will really scratch up the wall if it's not pulled out. So he's just gonna grab that whole clump of stuff and bring it out to the garage or to the front of the house, wherever you are. Being extremely careful. There we go, and then once we're free from all the walls, so a little bit of slack, we're gonna pull that out. Sometimes catches on stuff, so you have to drop what you're doing and go fix it. Of course, you guys see we have walk-off mats to make sure we're not tracking in any extra dirt. So if we ever forget anything, we can wipe our feet really well. Okay, now to make life a lot easier, we're gonna just pull the vacuum line free from the solution line. So the gray line there you see there is vacuum line. The small blue one, that's our solution line, which sprays our 240-degree hot water through the wand and through our chemical jug. to lay down the detergent for when we steam clean. So as you can see, it gets really knotted, so we want to break that free really well. We want to make our life easy.
Otherwise it breaks things and you have to pay for it.
Yep, otherwise if you grab that whole thing, it would get a hold of doors, get a hold of stuff on the floor. So it's got a big knot. So we do the vacuum line first because it flows smoothly through everything. So now he's getting that out of the way. Perfect. So now we're gonna go through and we're gonna wind it up. Okay. So all he's doing right now is pressing this pedal with his hand and it's auto winding it. And we're winding it in a way to where it's even on the wheel. So even now, stop Lucas. So even now it's already about to catch on this vacuum. So then I'm gonna get that all the way out of my way. Anything in my path, I'm gonna look for. Make sure it's out of the way. Okay, go ahead. Okay, and then when he's done, he's gonna tuck the head right underneath the last one there, and then tuck this pedal back underneath there so it stays out of the way. Okay, now we have the solution line that we pulled from the machine. We're gonna clamp that onto the hose reel. So how do we do that, Lucas?
Just pull it out,
And
click it
force
in.
it in. Okay, now he's just simply winding with, let me get right real quick. He's just winding with that handle right there. So we're just using that to wind. Okay, and then you'll see it kind of bunches up. So he's gonna stop and pull and straighten all that out. Being very careful of the head, because if you break the head, it comes out of your paycheck. Okay, now he's twisting it out because there's a complete knot in there and he's actually through. So you're gonna have to roll through and then pull your slack because he made a nice knot. So you don't want to pull off the hose that you already did. So you can pull that and then twist. Okay, now we can bring up the head. We can shove it in the door nicely so it doesn't drag on the concrete. And then we're just gonna finish up that. Okay, gets to the last. Now once we get the final one in, we're just gonna tuck it in to the side through the hose reel, like so. So as you guys can see, Ollie did, well, he went a little higher, but so I go down and then we just tuck it through the edge like that, boom. Okay, now I'm gonna do the next video real quick of how we're gonna clean the inline filter and the counter rotating brush, our power scrubber.